Leviton decora, smart Wi-Fi switch, and companion switch. We're going to wire up a 4-way circuit. Stay focused. Here we go. Here's the smart switch, model D26HD, and here's the companion. This is DD0SR-1Z. You will need a multimeter so that you can ring out the lines. What does that mean? Well, when there's continuity between the lines, it'll ring. Here we go. This is our companion switch that's already wired up, but I will disconnect the travelers to show you how to ring them out. This is the power line in, and this is a neutral. These switches do require a neutral. On the left of the switch, let's see if we can see the color. That's yellow-red, that is your traveler. And then the red, that is your load. Okay, here we go. The travelers are disconnected. As you can see, we nutted the travelers together. That's the traveler and the load line. And now we're gonna go upstairs and ring it out. Here they are, my travelers from downstairs. See if we can ring them out. Okay. So that means that this is our second switch in the circuit. This is the one we have to wire as a 4-way. This line here and this line here go to the other switch. Let's go ahead and ring those out just to confirm. Okay, here is the third switch in the circuit. Ring it out. Okay, now let's talk about how to wire this up. Here are the 4-way instructions. They're a little difficult to understand, but the best solution that I found was to install your smart switch at the last switch location in your circuit. The first switch at the bottom of our stairs is going to be a 3-way, wired as a 3-way. The second switch at the top left of the stairs is going to be the 4-way, and then the smart dimmer will be wired as a 3-way. Let's go see what it looks like. This is our smart dimmer. It does require a neutral. The red is always a load wire. This load wire goes up to our lights. The black is always power. So power will be fed from the other switches to here. The traveler is essentially the communication line. It tells us what position each switch is in, up or down or on or off. And of course, there's your ground. Let's move on to the next switch. Here's our Leviton switch number 2. This is located at the top of the stairs to the left. This is wired as a 4-way. Remember that each one of these switches has to have its own neutral. The black lug is our power from our first location downstairs. And this is our traveler from downstairs and our traveler that goes to our other switch. This is the load wire that goes to the other switch. Let's go downstairs, complete the process. Okay, we're back down at the base of the stairs at our primary location. This is where our power source comes in. Here's our switch. This is the companion switch. Keep in mind, it does require a neutral. This is our power line in, jumper to the black lug. Here are the travelers that we just rung out for location number 2 at the top of the stairs. The white wire will go here to your yellow-red, and the black will go to this side, which is red. Let's hook it up and see how it works. Okay, take notes. Power is at black, neutral is at white, WH. Our traveler, the white, is at yellow-red. That goes upstairs to our second switch location. Red is our black line, that's the load line. That's the other traveler that goes to our second switch location. Okay, we're at the top of the stairs at switch location number 2. This is our companion switch wired as a 4-way. On our black lug right here, this comes from downstairs at switch location number 1 off of the red lug. These 2 white wires on the yellow-red lug are the travelers. One comes from downstairs and one goes over to our other location. Of course, the neutral is the neutral. And over here on the red lug, this is our load line that goes to switch location number 3. Let's go over there and check that one out. The third switch location in the circuit is where we wire our smart decor Wi-Fi switch. This is the load line that came off the red lug from right over there. The yellow-red. The yellow-red is the white wire that came from the yellow-red on that switch. Our neutrals is the neutral, and the red is our load wire. This is the wire that supplies power to your light fixture. Let's test it out. Power on. Power off. Power on. Location number 2, power off. Power on. Let's go downstairs. Location number 1, power off. Power on. Power off. Power on. And now we're going to go to location number 3 to the smart dimmer. Power's off. Location number 2. Power on. Power off. There you have it. That's how you wire a 4-way Leviton smart switch circuit. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Also send me a direct message if you have some more in-depth inquiries. As always, please research before you jump into a project like this, and make sure that you consult with a Leviton rep so that you are ordering the proper switches for your needs. As always, you got this, and we'll see y'all next time.